Welcome back, everyone. I have a quick one for you today. Have you ever tried to remove the background from something? Let's say an elephant, for example. But it never seems to come out perfectly like in all those YouTube videos. Most everybody out there tell you to use the selection brush tool. Then they tell you to refine your selection to get in all the details. But it doesn't always work. Check this out. This is me trying to remove an elephant from its background. I was as careful as could be in making my selection. I used the refine tool and tried to get all the details by alternating between the matte, foreground and background buttons. It's sped up here so you don't get bored. But I'll tell you that after 6 minutes and 15 seconds of my valuable time, I was left with this less than perfect image. Some of my elephant was missing, and there was a lot of garbage left outside the image that needed to be cleaned up. The elephant in the room here is that using the selection brush and refine tools are good, but they are not great. Most elephants are not pink, and they don't walk around in bright blue backgrounds. They blend into their environment, and that means that it is sometimes hard to use these tools. Here's another way. The Freehand selection tool does not depend on algorithms to make decisions as to what needs to be in the selection. It uses your eyes and brain, which are often better. The Freehand selection tool is the little lasso-like tool in the toolbar to the left of the studio. Here's a sped-up version of me using this tool to simply trace an outline around my elephant. It's still a little bit of a chore, but if you are careful, you can make a near pixel-perfect selection. As I said, my first attempt took 6 minutes and 15 seconds, and I was left with a very imperfect elephant. The Freehand selection tool took 5 minutes and 20 seconds and came out nearly perfect. It's not always the perfect tool either, especially if there's a lot of fine hair. But it is another tool in your Affinity tool belt that doesn't really get mentioned much. And so, yeah, there you go. That's it for this one. If you like this kind of content, please hit those like and subscribe buttons. It really does help make my day to see that you care. Anyway, have a great day. See you next time.